How to show Instagram story to one person. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on the Your Story option at the top left corner of the screen. Now what you can simply do is tap on the story section. So let's tap on story and let's just click a random picture. So I'm going to click a random picture over here. So let's click the picture and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. So if that's not working, what you can simply do is click a random picture over here, and as you're done clicking a picture, say we're done. Now you have the option to add it to your story or your close friends. Simply you can tap on the close friends option over here. You can see there are only few people, so you can select whom you want them to see. So I'm going to select on a particular person and then tap on done. Now you can now just tap on close friends, tap on share, and the story will be seen by only one person. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.